Palangga! Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is JP and welcome to Diary Dilaga YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching our video, here on our channel, we're giving contents for self-improvement, life tips and tricks, and helpful reviews. And in this video, I'm going to share with you all about Maya Credit. Sulit nga ba gamitin ang Maya Credit and how it is different between Credit Card and also GCredit. So if you're planning to use Maya Credit and to know more how does it work, well, this video is perfect for you. So keep on watching. I shared with my previous video about Credit Card, GCredit, and SSS Loan. And for today, it's going to be another platform, credit platform na naman ang ating i-review, which is came from Maya app na dating PayMaya. By the way, disclaimer lang po, this is not a sponsored video, but it's a good thing to take advantage of this kind of financial platform, especially nowadays na everything move digitally na talaga when it comes for payment. So it's a good thing that we have some other options that will back up with us when it comes for any other circumstances that may happen. Now, let us talk first on how I was able to activate this Maya Credit. Based sa mga content creators na mga napapanood ko, matagal talaga siya na-activate. Especially, hindi mo nakikita kung malapit ka na nga bang maging eligible for Maya Credit. Unlike with GCredit na makikita mo yung G-score mo and you have the ability to see kung magiging eligible ka na ba for GCredit. But for Maya Credit, matagal talaga siya. And during the application, dun sa app na yun, lalabas pa dun muna na you have to check your eligibility. And then once you click it, as per Maya na they will notify you once it's ready to activate or once you're eligible for Maya Credit. And almost 1 month nga mga palangga bago ako naka-receive ng text message na eligible na daw ako for Maya Credit. And for me, the reason kung bakit ako nag-eligible for Maya Credit because recently, I've been using now the Maya app when it comes for paying bills and also yung Maya debit card nila, ginagamit ko din yun mga palangga and also yung Maya Savings. So the reason why kung bakit ko ginagamit yung Maya app because of the Maya Savings because it boosts and increase the percentage of the interest when it comes for saving my money into the Maya Savings. By the way, if you haven't watched the Maya Savings review na ginawa ko before, I'll put in the link on the description box below and also at the end of this video on the end screen. You can watch it after this. Another good thing din with Maya mga palangga is free cash in siya from BPI to your Maya wallet. Pero meron siyang minimum amount which is 500 pesos. And then pwede ka na makapag-cash in. Pwede mo na i-connect yung Maya app mo dun sa BPI account nyo. Once you're eligible na mga palangga for the Maya Credit, makaka-receive na kayo ng text message. And aside from that, if you'll get into your Maya app, lalabas doon na we're ready for you now. Pagpumunta kayo doon sa credit tab ng inyong Maya app. So, may options din doon to activate now. Pero, sabi doon, yung credit features niya, you can get up to 15,000 pesos credit limit. Yun na yung maximum ha. Pero, that doesn't mean na 15,000 agad yung makukuha nyo. Yun lang yung pinaka-maximum. And low service fee daw based on credit use within billing period. No additional documents needed. By the way, Maya Bank, itong Maya app is sa Maya Bank as well. It's regulated by Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. So, mas legit siya mga palangga. And once you selected the activate now button, na makikita mga palangga yun yung credit limit. And I was surprised that I got 9,000 pesos when it comes for my credit limit. You also have the ability to select yung billing date na gusto nyo, unlike with the other financial platform na may nakalagay na nakaset na kung ano yung billing date nyo, due date. So when it comes for billing date, I actually use the same billing date din ng credit card ko para hindi na ako masyadong mag-worry or hindi na ako masyadong malito kung ano nga ba yung mga billing dates. Kasi napakarami mga bills na. So, hingin din nila yung inyong contact information together with your personal details. Regards naman mga palangga sa kanila mga fees, sabi dito na low service fees daw si Maya. Maya Credit adds as a 6.99% fee against your use limit plus the documentary stamp tax. So let's say for example, you use 1,000 pesos of your credit limit, i-multiply mo lang siya mga palangga sa 6.99% for service fee. Then yung documentary timestamp naman mga palangga is yung amount na credit na use nyo, let's say 1,000 pesos times 0.75% times 3 divided by 365. So, kung ginamit mo mga palangga is 1,000 pesos with your Maya Credit, ang total fees mo, including the documentary timestamp, is around 70 pesos and 52 centavos. And for me mga palangga, ko i-compare ko si Maya Credit for using credit card and also with GCredit. For Maya Credit mga palangga, mababa lang naman siya, pero yun nga lang, naka-fix na yung amount niya na fee. Even though nabayaran mo yung credit limit mo within billing period before your due date, you still need to pay pa rin dun sa service fee plus yung documentary timestamp. Unlike with credit card na once na na-release na yung inyong bill, so you have the due date and you have the ability to pay your bill on or before the due date nang walang extra fees. Magkakaroon ka na extra fee once you pay the bill after the due date na. So, kontrolado mo mga palangga yung fees when it comes for credit card. And also for GCredit naman mga palangga, panalo din si GCredit compare kay Maya kasi mababa yung interest ni GCredit. Wala pa siya mga documentary times, stamp tax. And another difference with GCredit mga palangga is yung kay GCredit kasi is daily interest yung nadadagdag. So if you will pay early, so mas mababa yung fees mo. And kung nabayaran mo din siya within the day, so wala ka pang mga charges. Pero when it comes kay Maya mga palangga is naka-fix na yung kanyang service fee at saka yung documentary stamp. It doesn't matter even though you will pay it early, you will still get charged for the fees plus the documentary timestamp. Meron din tinatawag si Maya Credit na automatic payment. For example, hindi mo na ibayaran yung bill mo and then naging due date na. So, on due date mga palangga, automatically, Maya will attempt to recover the funds from your Maya wallet. Pero kung hindi nyo naman gagamitin yung inyong Maya Credit mga palangga, that's okay kasi wala naman kayong mabibill. So that's the good thing with Maya Credit na wala sila mga other extra fees like annual fee, unlike with credit card na meron sila mga annual fees. But for Maya Credit, wala silang other extra fees. Mag-charge ka lang with other fees once you will use your credit limit. And going back with the setup, mag-a-assign din kayo mga palangga ng inyong contact reference. Kailangan nyo maglagay mga palangga ng inyong contact reference in case of other concerns daw or urgent concerns, sabi ni Maya Credit. So, make sure na ilalagay na information nyo doon o yung magiging contact reference nyo is kailangan aware sila mga palangga. Advise nyo muna sila mga palangga that you will be using their information as your contact reference, para hindi sila magulat kasi magsasend kasi ng text message si Maya sa kanila. And after nun, i-confirm nyo na yung mga details na na-enter nyo at magsasend si Maya ng one-time PIN or OTP for validation or verification, and then, tada! Activated na ang inyong Maya Credit. At isa sa mga advantage na nagustuhan ko kay Maya mga palangga is once you use your credit limit, pwede mong gamitin yung pera mga palangga kahit saan. Unlike with GCredit mga palangga, na-design lang talaga siya for purchases. Pero may mga iba na nagagawa nila ng paraan. They're using other apps para ma-convert to cash. Pero when it comes for Maya Credit mga palangga, hindi mo na kailangan gumamit pa ng ibang mga app, and you can transfer the credit limit na gagamitin nyo directly to your Maya wallet. Once it's access to your Maya wallet, so you have the ability to use the money anywhere you want, like to send the money to another Maya user, to your friend, or you can access the funds to your Maya debit card for withdrawal or for purchases. So you have the ability to use your credit sa kung ano man gusto nyong paggamitan. So now, the question is, sulit nga ba si Maya Credit? For me, sulit siya in a way na kung saan kailangan mo talaga ng pera and you will be using your money for any other purposes. Like, i-encash mo man siya, you can use the money agad right away. Nasa sa'yo na kung paano mo siya gagamitin. Yun nga lang, naka-fix na yung kanya mga fees. So, even though you will pay it early, you will still need to pay pa rin yung service fee nila at saka yung documentary timestamp. Another good thing din mga palangga for taking advantage of this kind of platform is to build your credit score or your credibility for paying some bills. Building your credit score mga palangga will give you a high possibility that your future loans will be approved. So, in case na kailangan natin in the future. So, maganda siya and a good thing that it will boost our credit score. Plus, it's also a good option for backup in case of any emergencies. So, that's it for na mga palangga. I hope na may natutunan kayo about Maya Credit. At kung umabot kayo sa part na ito, please hit the like button para naman masuggest ni YouTube algorithm with other palanggan natin that real confused or they're planning to use for Maya Credit. At kung may mga questions kayo mga palangga or anything that you want to share, just comment below. You can also send us a message or reach out to us directly with our Facebook page, Diary ni Langga. By the way, I'm so excited for our next videos because I'm planning to share about budgeting and some other tips on how I was able to manage my expenses. So if you're interested with some financial reviews, financial tips, please consider subscribing to this channel and hit the bell notification button para updated kayo once I uploaded those videos. As always, thank you so much for stopping by mga palangga. Again, it's me, JP, and I will see you all on our next video. Bye!
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. It's like every time the conversation changes